Okay, welcome back to my channel, JBTeguihanon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. So, in this video, we're going to discuss the multi-stage or compound compression. Okay, so in the previous chapter, we have discussed simple, or in the previous video, we have discussed simple vapor compression refrigeration system in which low pressure vapor refrigerant from the evaporators is compressed in a single stage or single compressor and then delivered to a condenser at a higher or at high pressure. But sometimes the vapor refrigerant is required to be delivered to a very high pressure, as in the case of low temp. When we use low temperature refrigerating system, we need to have a high or very high pressure to achieve that. So in such cases, either we should compress the vapor refrigerant by employing a single stage compressor with a very high pressure ratio between the condenser and evaporator, or compress it with two more compressors placed in series. So this is in series now. So the compression carried out in two or more compressors is called multi-stage or compound compression. So that is what we are going to discuss here in this video. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. So what are the advantages of compound or multi-stage vapor compression? Okay, in this case with intercooler. Okay, so following are the main advantages of compound or multi-stage compressor over a single stage compression. Number one, so in the compound, the work done, see, work done per kilogram is reduced in compound compression with intercooler as compared with single stage compression for same delivery of pressure. So work done is reduced. It's the key word. Where in the compound, okay, it's reduced the work done. Okay, number two, here it improves the volumetric efficiency for the given pressure ratio. Okay, it improves. Okay, and then number three, the size of the cylinders, high pressure and low pressure, may be adjusted to suit volumetric or volume and pressure refrigerant. So you can play with it, right? You can vary it. And then number four, it reduces the leakage loss considerably. It reduces the leakage loss considerably. And then five, it gives more uniform torque, or hence small size flywheel is needed. So smaller flywheel now is needed because it has more uniform torque. Okay, and then six, it provides effective lubricant because of the lower temperature ranges. Okay, number three. Oh, sorry, not number three, but seven. It reduces the cost of compressor. So probably this is why uh, they have this multi-stage compression system because of the cost for the owner. He wanted to have this reduced cost. Okay, because remember in business there are two main goals: maximize profit and reduce the minimize the input, maximize the output. Okay, minimize the investment. That is part of reducing the cost of the operation of a business establishment. Okay, so what else? And then we are going to go to the types of the compound compression, types types of the compound vapor compressor with intercooler and a compound compression vapor refrigeration systems. The superheat vapor refrigerant leaving the first stage of the compressor is cold. The compression is cooled by suitable method before entering, sorry, before the feed to the second stage of the compression, and so on. Such type of cooling the refrigerant okay, is called something wrong with this. True, there might be there are many types of compound compression with intercoolers, yet the following important from the subject point of view. We have also seven. Okay, we have seven here. And number one, we have the two-stage compression with liquid intercooler. So we're talking about liquid intercooler in one. And then in number two is two-stage compression with water intercooler. So we use here water. Okay, in this liquid intercooler, you use the liquid of the refrigerant. Okay, liquid refrigerant. In here, you have an external, no, or other substance we call water. In number three, two-stage compression with water intercooler, and then liquid subcooled and liquid flush chamber. So when we use this word liquid, so uh, it's the refrigerant, liquid refrigerant. So in number three, this is now the combination. Okay, and then number four, two-stage compression with water intercooler, liquid subcooled, and flush intercooler. Not chamber, now it is flush intercooler. So subcooled intercooler. And then number five, we have three stages compressor with flush chamber. And then number six, we have three-stage compression with water intercoolers. And then number seven, three-stage compression with flush intercoolers. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to see in this what you call that subjects. Okay, this is all for this video for now. Thanks. Bye.